We are pleased to show you the 2014 SRX. The Cadillac SRX is beautiful from every angle. For driving enthusiasts, there's track-tuned handling, advanced engine power, and the added confidence of available all-wheel drive. Luxury lovers will delight in the new stylish handcrafted cabin. And for technology lovers, the list of high-tech features is just too long to list and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, keyless entry, power passenger seat, navigation system, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, heated rear seats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.